wanna be a billionaire, so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah in the beam. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear, the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Ito mga Diskaya, Sarah. It is common knowledge that you own 9 companies. Namely, St. Gerard, St. Timothy, Alpha and Omega, Elite General Contractor and Development Corporation, St. Matthew, Great Pacific Builders, YPR General Contractor, Amethyst Horizon Builders, and Waymaker OPC. Am I correct?
Yes, po.
Ang ganda yan. Up to now, you own these 9 construction companies.
Yes, po.
Alright. Since you started securing contracts from the DPWH, since kailan kayo nag-umpisa? 2012?
DPWH.
Yes.
DPWH.
Yes.
DPWH.
Yes.
Yes po, 2012.
Pag-usapan muna natin yung 2022 hanggang 2025. Ilan na po yung naging projects nyo sa DPWH?
Marami na po.
Ilan nga?
Marami na po.
Ilan nga?
DPWH.
Yes.
Marami na po.
Ilan nga?
DPWH.
Yes.
I don't
Mahigit 400?
I don't have the figures po.
Estimate lang po, ballpark.
Give me a ballpark figure.
Siguro po mga 400 ganun. I'm not
Siguro.
I'm really not sure.
Okay.
I don't have the figures with me.
Ilang bidding yung sinasalihan mo?
Marami po kaming sinasalihan na bidding.
All flood control projects?
DPWH.
Yes. All flood control projects?
DPWH.
Yes. All flood control projects?
I don't have the figures po. Marami po kaming sinasalihan na bidding.
All flood control projects?
No po.
Ano pa yung mga projects?
Buildings, kalsada,
Nationwide or only Metro Manila?
nationwide po.
Nationwide. Alright. Pero yung bulk ng mga projects na na-award sa'yo ng DPWH, mostly sa Metro Manila. Am I correct?
Hindi po, sa probinsya po.
Pero outside of Metro Manila,
We have in Romblon, Cebu, Bohol, Bacolod, Zamboanga. Hindi naman po kami namimili ng lugar.
may ghost project?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo, definitely.
Dahil pag meron kami managed gobyerno na may ghost project, pakukulo kita rito.
Wala po.
Minimum totoo.
Wala po.
Minimum totoo.
Wala po talaga.
Meron ka mga pictures na lahat ng mga proyekto ginawa mo?
Wala po. Yes po. Wala po. Yes po. Wala po. Madami po kami sinasabi. I really don't have the figures right now.
No,
But I
if you
can...
come here, you have to come here prepared.
Yes,
You do
po.
not come here unprepared. Alam mo na tatanungin ka eh. Ikaw sikat na contractor, papa-interview ka. Oh, you have to come here prepared.
Your Honor, I am prepared for the flood control project, the flood control projects that you are mentioning. I have the statistics of how many I bidded and how many I lost and how many I won.
Okay, you mentioned it to us right now.
Oh, every time I
tuloy ng Hermes. Tapos may skylight siya sa taas.
Ang libo, no?
Yes.
So kaya mo natinuha,
Kasi ito may payo mo. Natutuwa ako sa payo. Dami ko ginagamit ko payo na mo. Oo, kasi mahal yung payo. Yes.
so isa pa yan.
Yes, on both sides. So, yun yung picture ng Rose na kaya ko siya na nabili kasi tuwa ako sa payo. Kasi tuwa ako sa payo. Sa table yan. And may TV picture. Yan.
Kailangan mo ganyan.
Ha ha ha!
Kailangan mo ganyan.
Ha ha ha!
Kailangan mo ganyan.
Ha ha ha!